Aggravated assault is an assault that causes serious bodily injury. For example, New York has found evidence supporting a charge of attempted aggravated assault, where the defendant discharged a firearm in an attempted robbery. Unlike simple assault, which requires that a defendant attempt or cause bodily harm, aggravated assault is a more serious offense that requires a defendant attempting to cause, or causes, serious bodily harm to another. States classify aggravated assault as a felony charge. Offenders with an aggravated assault conviction face the possibility of prison time. In contrast, simple assaults will likely be misdemeanors and only expose an offender to jail time.